So the next step is calculate fixed end moments. Okay, so we have one case wherein there is UDL throughout, okay, of 15 kilonewton per meter, length is 6 meter, and there is a second case wherein we have 30 kilonewton load acting right in the at the center of the beam. Okay, A and B, and this is anti-clockwise, this is clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. So MFAB for the first case. For UDL, refer this UDL throughout. So WL square by 12 minus at MFAB. So minus WL square by 12. How much is it? 15 into 6 square divided by 12, which is equal to, let me put this as minus 15 into 6 square divided by 12, minus 45 kilonewton meter, and MFBA is plus WL square by 12, which is positive 45 kilonewton meter. Similarly here, okay, this is for case 1. Okay, case 2, let me write MFAB is equal to, okay, this is point load acting right in the center. So minus WL by 8 first case. So minus WL by 8 minus 30 into 6 divided by 8. So 30 into 6 divided by 8 is 22.5. And MFBA is the same value plus WL by 8. So WL by 8, which is equal to plus 22.5. So when you add case 1 MFAB and MFAB due to case 2, you will get the total fixed end moments. So fixed end moments, finally fixed end moments, MFAB is equal to minus 45 minus 22.5, which is equal to, and MFBA is equal to 45 plus 22.5. So both will be equal because it's symmetrically loaded span. Okay, one will be plus, one will be minus. Okay, this is fixed end moments. What is the third step? Step number 3. Calculate reaction due to moment. Okay, this is the third step. But before that, we will plot a BMD for fixity. So let me come here. BMD right here. Okay, now what is the value? 67 minus 67 and plus 67. So this leads to minus 67.5 anti-clockwise, that's why minus, and since this is plus, this is clockwise 67.5, this will lift the span in this direction, so hogging. So 67.5 and 67.5 lifting the span in upward direction, and then join this is going to be minus and this is plus. Okay, this is BMD due to fixity. Okay, now yesterday when I was explaining you all how to calculate the reaction due to moment, I had told you all, okay, we had got something like this, the value, this was the difference divided by length of the span. Okay, reaction is difference between the two moments, whatever it is, divided by length of the span. Now what is the difference between the two moments? It is 0. Okay, it is 0 because both the values are equal in our case. There is no difference here. There is no difference here. 67.5 minus 67.5, use them irrespective of the values. 67.5 minus 67.5, just a difference is 0, so it is equal to 0. So there is no reaction due to moment. That is why shear force due to fixity is 0. Okay, this is shear force due to fixity. Okay, so these reactions are 0.